morning, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're going to be discussing the F distribution. So the F distribution is used primarily in ANOVA and regression analysis. So ANOVA is an acronym for analysis of variance. It describes the distribution of the ratio of two independent chi-square variables divided by their respective degrees of freedoms. So I've made an F distribution, so you can see an F distribution. So we've got the values between 0.1 and 5. So we've got values between 0.1 and 5. And then we've got our PDF, that's your probability distribution function. So f.dist brackets A2, C2, D2, false. And as I said in an earlier video, the false means that it's a probability distribution function because that's what we want to see. So you've got your numerator degree of freedom and your denominator degree of freedom. So you've got two different degrees of freedom that you're going to work with, and that's going to change the shape of the F distribution. So you've got, what I've done is I've put some sliders in there. I put a slider in for the numerator degree of freedom, and I put a slider in for the denominator degree of freedom. And as you change these degrees of freedom, you're going to change the shape of the distribution. So let's just see if we can. So now we changed our numerator degree of freedom to 21, and you can see that that's changed the shape, and we'll change the denominator degree of freedom to 21 as well, and you can see that changes the shape. And you can see that as the numerator degree of freedom and denominator degree of freedom increase, the shape begins to resemble a normal distribution. So what we'll do is we'll increase the numerator degree of freedom, and then we'll increase the denominator degree of freedom. And you can see that it does resemble a normal distribution, with the fact that exception that it's very, shall we say, right skewed. But that's it for the F distribution. And the next video is going to be another distribution. And I hope that you decide to watch the next video as well.